How to change your cabin air filter for your 2015 Ford Mustang. The tools you'll need is you'll need a T20 head. If you have a screwdriver, you can put it on there. I don't have one, so I'm going to use my socket wrench. To access your filter, it's going to be behind your glove compartment. I believe the easiest way to access it is to go underneath your glove compartment. As you can see, I already pulled off the cover, which was located right here. Or if you're sitting in the passenger side seat, it's to the right of this big round piece. It's not the technical term, sorry about that. But your air filter is going to pull right out. Make sure you note the orientation of the airflow, as it'll be marked on the filter itself. You'll notice that there's these flaps here, which would be marking your orientation. Your new one is going to come with the same flaps, so make sure the flaps that you put in are in the same direction. So for my vehicle, it came out with the flaps both pointing towards the wheel of the vehicle. The air direction is marked on the side. Notice the airflow is away from the wheel of the vehicle. Once you get your filter lined up, go ahead and push it straight into position. Grab your cover, line up the hinges. Well, you guys can't really see too well, but this is the cover here, like a honeycomb shape deal. The width is about the size of it's about the same size as the width of the filter. One of the keys to getting this back together is to make sure that your hinges go back into the notch. If this isn't staying closed by itself without putting the screw in, which I have not put the screw in fully yet, then you're definitely have not installed the back of the cover correctly. That's pretty much it. Just go ahead and tighten up that screw and you'll be all set. Hope that helps. This is my first video, so